Okay, good afternoon. Hello.
Good afternoon po.
Nasaan po yung iba? Parang ano lang tayo dito, 36 lang tayo. 34 lang kayo bale. Nasaan yung iba? We are 40 plus. We do not have our face-to-face meet today kasi po ang lahat po ng classrooms na designated for the department ay ginagamit for the midterm exam. Okay? So, nung last week po kayo, ang inyong midterm exam. So, for this week po, ang nakaschedule is um, second year and fourth year, I think. Okay? So, sila naman po yung gumagamit ng classroom. Kaya, wala po tayong choice kundi ang mag-online. Okay? Kasi nga, ginagamit yung classroom. Okay? Anyway, so yung pong meeting natin ngayon, saglit lang just to have po itong assignment per group. Okay? So, I am done with my lecture. Okay, I am done with my lecture. So, second part po would be mag-ano na po tayo, discussion of each material class. Okay? So, for the discussion of each material class, I will be giving it as an assignment for each of the group. And then you will make a presentation for the material class that is being assigned to you. Okay? So, dito po sa presentation ko, you see here po the um, you see here po the area assignment or the particular material assigned per group. Okay? So for group 1, we have here metals, group 2, polymers, group 3, ceramics, group 4, composites. For group 5, we have the two, okay, the two materials, the biomaterials and the additively manufactured materials. And then for group 6, we have the smart materials and the nanomaterials. Okay. Sabi ko nga gusto ito pa pag hindi ano natin. Mm. Sabihin mo na lang ay kausap na natin sa MTCC. Kaya doon. Hello. Okay, so ito po yung magiging ano po natin, grouping. So for group 5 and group 6, these are our new materials. Okay, ito po mga una, these are the traditional ones, 1 to 4. And for 5 and 6 po, yan po yung currently dinidevelop. Okay, so kakaunti pa po yung mga researches regarding these groups. Okay, kaya po magkasama po yung dalawa. Now, so ano po yung gagawin natin dito per group? Okay, so after po ng meeting ko sa inyo ngayon, you will convene by group. Okay, so yun pong ating group leader would be assigned to convene yung entire group. Halimbawa po, si group 1. So yung leader po niya, o mag-meet po kayo ng mga members. And then, all about metals, okay? So, you list down topics on these metals and then, babahaginin po kung alin po yung topic na ma-assign on this particular metal group. Okay? Under this particular material class. Okay? So, ganun po ang gagawin. So, each of you po dapat merong parte doon sa presentation. Okay? So, yung presentation po will be done by week after next. Okay? So, next week po. Okay? So, ang ating pong ipipresent, it should be a presentation in a form of pwede pong PowerPoint, pwedeng Canva, o kaya po ay kung ano po yung mas madali sa inyong gawin. Okay? And then, ang isa-submit po sa akin would be the presentation itself plus yun pong Word file. Okay? Word file po nung inyo pong report. Okay? So, dapat po bawat isang member ay meron pong parte doon sa presentation. Okay? you will be graded po, okay, individually on this, okay? So, dapat po basic na ma-discuss nyo for each of the metal group would be the components, okay? Ano po yung components? The structure, the properties, the processes, and the application. Okay? So, yun po yung dapat na basic na ma-discuss sa bawat isang material po dyan. Okay? So, I'll be sharing to you also yun pong module natin dyan. But then, do not restrict simply on using that module. Okay? I want more researches. Okay? Gusto ko bago yung makita ko doon sa mga presentation mo. Okay? So, basic lang yung nandun sa module and then you add something more. Okay? Base sa mariresearch nyo po dyan sa mga material class na naka-assign po sa atin. Okay? Now, what about po yung presentation? Okay? So, yung presentation po, hindi naman po ibig sabihin group 1 up to group 6 ay sunod-sunod. Okay? So, pwede po tayong kahit alin po dyan ay mauna. Okay? Doon sa presentation natin. So, pwede po kayo mag-volunteer or pwede din naman po i-draw lots po natin kung sino yung magpe-present for the day. Just be ready po kung sino man po yung matawag okay, during that day. Or sabi ko nga po, pwede naman din po tayong mag-volunteer. Okay? So, yun po yung gagawin natin. Naintindihan ka po? Hello? Yan. So, I want po, after po nitong meet ko, okay, so, the leader of each group will take charge po, okay? So, kung may question po kayo pertaining to this presentation, edi yun po ang ating, yun po ang itanong nyo po sa akin, okay? So, kung mamaya po during the course of your meeting, meron po kayong gustong linawin, okay, then, pwede po doon sa GC po natin, okay, nyo ilagay yung question po. Ano po? Okay. And then, after po nito, okay, we have here po, dalawa pong experiment po gagawin na magkasunod. Okay? So, ano po yung dalawang experiment? One is yung sa fatigue test po, and the other one would be tensile test. Okay? So, uunahin ko po yung sa tensile test. Okay? So, ang tensile test po natin ay gagawin natin next week. Okay? Hindi po tayo face-to-face next week, but, okay, papasok po kayo. Although hindi po schedule natin ng face-to-face, magfe-face-to-face po tayo next week. Doon lang po sa laboratory po natin. Ito po, same time po, 2 to 5. Okay, 2 to 5. So, andun pong experiment would be the tensile test to be conducted po sa MTCC. Okay, ang MTCC po is Material Testing and Calibration Center. Okay, yun po yung nandun sa my steer hub. Okay, so doon po natin i-conduct yung test. Again, ang pag-test po natin is per group po. Okay, so just make sure po you are around doon sa schedule po natin. Okay, so isa-isa lang pong group uli. Hindi po pwedeng magdamihan doon. Okay, and then ano po ang atin pong kailangan doon? Ano po ang ating gagamitin? Okay, so for ano po, you wear your rubber shoes. Again, rubber shoes po, hindi po pwedeng open toes. And then, you must have po yung gloves. Okay, meron pong gloves na gagamitin. Make sure everyone po ay meron. And then the other one is yung goggles. Okay, so just to protect our eyes. Okay, so yun pong tatlo dapat meron tayo. And then, you wear po na lang yung mesh shirt. Okay, so kung may yung mesh shirt po natin, yun po yung gagamitin natin. Okay, during our experiment. Okay, so you will not be allowed po to do the test not unless you have those ano po. Okay, yung tatlong safety ano po natin yun. Okay, naintindihan po ba? Yan. And then, ang gagamitin po natin doon would be rebars. Ari po yung itsura ng rebars. Wait lang po. Show ko po sa inyo. Yan. So, yan po yung sample ng mga rebars. Okay? So, yan po yung gagamitin natin sa tensile test. So, when say tensile test po, it's a form of a destructive testing. So, ang gagawin po natin daan, we subject this rebar po to a tensile test. So, hihilayin po natin ang kabilang dulo. And then, we will form a stress strain curve out of this rebar. Okay? So, yan po yung magiging output ng tensile test po natin. So, hindi po titigil yung test not unless naputol po yung ating rebar. Yung rebar po, it's a short term for reinforcement bar. Okay? Reinforcement bar. So, yan po yung ginagamit natin na patibay or foundation or say structural build po ng mga buildings po natin. Okay? So, sa pamagitan po ng mga bakal na yan, then mas matibay yung structure natin. Okay? So, kada isang group po, we will need po tatlong rebar. Okay? Tatlong rebar po. Magba-vary lang po ng size. Okay? So, yung diameter po ng rebar na gagamitin natin would be 10 mm, 12 mm. You take note of it po. 10 mm, 12 mm, and 16 mm. Okay? So, pare-pare magkakaiba po yung diameter, pero yung length po niya, okay, yung length po niya, yun po ay pare-parehas. So, we will be using po 460, okay, 460 mm po. Okay, for the length of each bar po na gagamitin. Again, 10, 12, and 16 mm, tapos 460 mm po yung length. Okay? So, yung gagamitin po natin na specimen per group, okay, again, kayo po yung magpo-provide noon. Okay? So, kayo po yung magpo-provide. Miss Maika? Hello?
Yes po, ma'am.
Hello?
Ma'am,
Hindi kita naririnig din.
hello po.
Kahit wala. Hello?
Hello po, ma'am.
Okay, so kindly coordinate again, Miss Maika, to Sir Andrew para dito sa gagamitin nyo. Okay, I suggest na magpa-ano na lang tayo, magpa-kisuyo na lang kayo kay Sir Andrew kesa kayo pa yung bumili. Okay, kasi pag binibili po itong mga rebars na ito po ay I think ang haba po niya is 20 feet. Okay? So, ganun po kahaba. Okay? So, ang mangyayari po nun, kung kayo pa po yung bibili, so, kayo pa po yung maghahanap ng magpuputol. Okay? Kailangan po maputol siya up to 460 mm yung length, okay, ng kada isa. So, papuputol na pa yun. Okay? And also, sobrang bigat po niyan para dalhin nyo dito. Okay? So, sobrang bigat. So, kung wala din lang kayong sasakyan, so better that makisuyo na lang kay Sir Andrew. Okay? Just like the other blocks. Okay? So, yung pong sa ibang block, gano'n na lang po yung pinagawa. So, makipag-usap na lang siguro, you coordinate with Charmelo and dun sa section 3 kay Ken, okay? And then makisuyo kayo kay Sir Andrew. Okay, again, tatlo po ang need natin of different sizes per ano po natin, per group. Okay, and what else do you need po? So you must bring with you marker. Okay, so kailangan po yung marker kasi atin po itong i-measure. I-divide po natin, lalagyan natin ng markings. Okay, so magdadala po ng marker, same thing po with yung metro. Okay, yung metro. Para masusukat po natin the entire length, i-divide po natin. Okay? Kung may caliper po kayong madadala, better. Okay? Kung hindi naman, meron din naman po dito sa laboratory. Okay? Dapat po maalam kayo gumamit ng caliper. Okay? Paano mag-measure using the caliper. Okay? So, yun po. Ayun po yung mga dadalhin. Huwag pong pupunta ng hindi prepared. Okay? So, before po the experiment, dapat cut na po yan at nalagyan na po ng markings. Okay? Nasundan po. So, yan po ay sa next week po natin i-conduct. And then the other one naman po, last week po, I advise also Micah to go to Sir Andrew for test specimen ulit. Okay, yun po naman yung para sa fatigue. So after po nito, yung sunod po natin na face-to-face meet, yun namang fatigue test po ang ating i-conduct. Okay, so for the fatigue test naman po, same material po ng ginamit natin sa hardness, yung T6 aluminum at saka po C1020. Okay, so kada group po, dalawa po naman ang kailangan natin. Okay, so dalawa. So dalawa nung T6 aluminum at dalawa nung C1020. So same material po yon nung ginamit sa hardness. Magkaiba lang po yung itsura. Yung sa hardness po kasi is simply cylindrical, okay? Cylindrical po yung ginamit natin. So, dito naman po sa fatigue, so iba naman po yung itsura niya. We need that to be machined. Okay? So, need pa po yung ipamachine. Okay? Kaya po, dalawa lang yung pinagamit. But then, for all of those, for all groups po, yung result po ng kada isang group ay gagamitin ng para sa lahat. Okay? Kaya mas makakarami din po tayo ng data. Okay? So that would be naman po, okay? By next yung pong after yung sunod po na face-to-face meet po natin. Okay? Have you talked to Sir Andrew Micah regarding that one?
Ma'am, confirm ko lang po. Ang amin po bang bibilin ay yung C1020 na
Wala
dalawang
talaga.
peraso po?
Hindi kita naririnig. I do not know why. Kung akin yung may problema, itong headset ko or what. So, yun pong, yung pong para sa fatigue test. So, yun po yung pinapagawa na, ipapamachine na. Okay? So, yung para lang sa next week, edi yun po yung ayusin no, this week. Okay? So, please coordinate with the other blocks para sure po tayo may magagamit by next week on our experiment. Okay? So, again, makikisuyo lang po tayo doon sa MTCC. Okay? Kaya, hindi po pwede doon ang magulo. Okay? So, we will be using the room only for the experiment. And right after the experiment po, we will be leaving. Okay? Yan. So, may question po ba tayo? Hello, everyone. May question po tayo? Parang dalawa lang yung nakarinig. Okay, so meron po ba dito hindi nakukuha ng exam? Wala. Dito sa block na to, wala. Lahat nakakuha. Yes, Rojas.
Magtatanong po ba kayo kung sino pong di po nakuha ng exam? Hindi po masyadong narinig eh. Kasi po mayroon po signal po dito.
May problema siguro ang aking ano. Hindi kita naririnig, Rojas.
Ma'am, tatanong po ba kayo kung sino pong di po napag-exam? Or ano?
I don't know why. Anyway, i-ano mo na lang na. I-message mo na lang dito. Okay, so kung wala na po tayo na questions, okay, so I'll stop na po our presentation. Okay, so make sure you are ready with your materials by an hour ano po, laboratory. For those who have not taken po yung exam, okay, so ang ano na po natin is after na po ng finals. Okay, after na po ng finals, doon ko po kayo bibigyan po ulit. Because I have to create a new exam for lahat po ng hindi nakatake. So, yan po. Now, so after po na i-ano po nito, again, yung leader po, pakimit na lang po yung mga group members po natin. Okay? And then, kindly forward payment, Miss Maika, sa GCash na lang para maibayad natin sa magsiserox, ha? Okay. Pa-open po ako ng camera before I end yung week para sa attendance po natin. Okay, everyone. Ayun pong iba. Maureen, Kyra, Alessandra, Jed, Ninya. Okay, you take the screenshot na lang po. Okay, 1, 2, 3, pasuyo. Okay, sige po. Thank you. Bye.